The Hobart Handler 190 Flux-Core and MIG Welder gives you professional performance in a portable, compact package. This 230-volt welder delivers 25 to 210 amps to weld mild steel, aluminum, or stainless steel. A door chart featured on the unit is a great reference for novices and professionals alike, giving you initial settings for different applications. It's ready to weld right out of the box and can be used with or without optional shielding gas. It comes complete with a 10-foot gun and work lead. Contact tips. A gas hose with dual gauge regulator. An 8-inch wire spool adapter. A full 7 output voltage settings. And infinite wire speed control. The Hobart Handler 190 is available in 2 options. One with a spool gun and one without. The SpoolRunner 100 spool gun is quick and easy to install. Simply plug the lead into the feed head, attach the trigger lead, and flip the switch on the inside panel to operate. After installing the correct wire and gas for the job, you're ready to weld mild steel, solid wire, Flux-Core, and stainless filler metals. It even configures easily to weld from 18 gauge to 1/4-inch aluminum in a single pass. Whichever Hobart Handler you choose, you'll be amazed at just how much work you can get done when you put the power of this one little unit behind you.